today we're going to be talking about some breaking news about some new research around Crohn's disease and ulcerative colitis. So a major cause for IBD has been recently discovered within the UK. These researchers found a weak spot in our DNA of people who obviously suffer from Crohn's and colitis, and this weak spot is present in 95% of people with the disease. So this story is on the BBC, it's in The Guardian, and there are some great learnings. So something that they mentioned in the article was the fact that some of these weak spots within our DNA of people with Crohn's or colitis, basically it's much easier for the immune cells to go haywire and drive up excessive inflammation within our bowels. So the team of researchers who have been looking into this have found that there are some current drugs that seem to reverse the disease within their sort of laboratory experiments. So they must have experimented on mice, for instance, and with the results they've seen that they've actually managed to reverse IBD within the test subject. So now the next stage is to open this up to human trials. So obviously Crohn's and colitis are the most common of inflammatory bowel disease. Don't get this confused with IBS if you're somebody who doesn't suffer from Crohn's or colitis. So for anyone who suffers from IBD, this is a massive breakthrough, and actually this is really great news for the next 5 years, because if there is some serious breakthrough discoveries happening around not only treating IBD effectively but reversing it, then we're in for a treat. And anyone who has been living with it for a long period of time, who has been unsuccessful at staying in remission, this is fantastic news. So I would keep our hopes up, I would keep an eye on this research, and hopefully in the future this will help us stay healthy.